So hello guys, good morning. So now guys, we have Toyota Hilux here. This engine is a diesel. Okay, so model 2022 Toyota Hilux 2022 model. So what I'm going to do for this car is I will check the transmission fluid level if good or not good, and I will check also the transmission fluid if good or need to change. Okay, so only that. Okay, so now we will see the standard temperature before we check the fluid level. Okay, we're here. I already used the scanner, so 2022 model. Okay, so others, so without the smart key or with the smart key. So this guys, with the smart key and without the smart key, so ibig sabihin nito, so it's meaning to say that with the smart key, if you have a push button, okay, push button, but this is without, because the key is normal ID. Okay, so others, so this is the data for the car, European, others, Hilux, then 1GD, so the engine is 1GD 2022 model. So travel mileage 103,206. Okay, so manufacturer others. Okay, so pick up truck. Okay, so so now guys, I have something to show you. The ABS and the traction is already light when you start the car, so now it's already off. But now after I see in the live data, I will start the car and I will show you the light, because it's for safety. Okay, it's for safety. I make video to make you have idea, and for me to make safety, because maybe some customer, because I experienced like that, some customers telling before don't have light, now it's coming. So it's better we have a video. Okay guys, so now see, we have a code for the ABS. So for now, I put auxiliary fan in the downside to make it cool down the transmission fluid. Okay, so now we have a code. If this red color, so meaning this have a fault code. The green color, no fault code, yun in normal. Okay, so now we wait until, so this scanner guys is Launch 431V 4.0. Okay, guys, see, brake switch, circuit open, lost communication with brake system. So they have a code. Code. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Chong Junli TV. So, and I have more videos here. I think 300 plus videos, so you can check. Okay, now I did not delete this. We go to the transmission, SM and transmission, because we see the live data for the transmission fluid temperature. Okay, so we go to read data stream. So for now guys, we're talking an English language to make it good, my communication communication scale. So this is the transmission fluid temperature 1 and 2. Okay, so we're going to, so now the one is 50, number 2 is 46. Okay, so where you can base the temperature, in the number 1 you can base the number 1 fluid temperature. So you check the transmission fluid temperature level. So the temperature must be 36 to 46 degree Celsius. Okay, so not Fahrenheit. 36 to 46. So now the transmission 1 fluid is 50 and number 2 is 45. Okay, so we check 36 to 46 or 47, no problem. Okay, so that for the checking for the fluid for the first. Okay, so 36 to 47 or 36 to 46 degrees Celsius, you check the transmission fluid level. Okay, so this just continue the video because this car we don't have dipstick. They don't have dipstick, so I will show you. If you just finish the video, because I will show you where is the location for the checking for the fluid. Okay, so now guys, I will show you in the front. I will start the car and I will show you have a light for the ABS and traction. Okay, start the car and you will see. So they have light for traction and ABS. Okay, traction and ABS. So this is the indicator for the parking brake and brake. This is traction, this is ABS. So now it's already working. Okay, so now I turn off and make it on. Just I want to show you I have a light, and also for me, for my safety, because you know. Okay, so now we wait the temperature until it coming to 36 okay, much better, 36. Okay, so we based on the transmission number 1, huh? Okay, so now guys, the temperature for the one is 40 and the number 2 is 38. Okay, so now we can check the fluid level. Okay, but when I go down sides, guys, so I will try to do my best to make video, because I am only we don't have another thing to hold the phone. Okay, so now, okay, I'll go down. I will start the car. See, so now the temperature is 38 and 36. So now we start. So okay, so now it come 38 and 46, 47, but we base in the 1, temperature 1. Okay, so now we go in the down. Ko'y may natutunan sa aking karanasan. So, we will check the fluid level by this side. Like this, no oil. There, naggas.
ها؟
Naggas.
نقص
Ah,
واجد ولا شو؟
tapi mungkin ini soya bas.
وهي
Ah,
وهي ما عليك بس الزيت كويس ولا؟
zait ini bagi MC.
ها؟
Bagi kois.
هذا كويس.
Bas ini alhin kam MC mia alpok MC.
هذا ماشي 100,000 ماشي 103,000.
ايوه. بس ini انت غير احسن.
بس زيت زين كذا ونحوف بعدين نغير ممكن في حاجة.
لا.
ايش رايك؟
ها؟
ايش رايك الحين نجود ولا نخليه؟
لا alhin naggas
ناقص الحين.
naggas. Mati wazan sub. Tidak wazan masbut. Anta apok ada surah.
ايوه.
Iti شوية بس alhin mapi.
ها؟
Alhin mapi.
ما في. يعني نزود ها؟
ايوه يعني جيت alhin mapi wazan masbut.
ايوه.
ايوه. Lazim kami api. Rasa ada gear mati. White galon. Mapi istri white alba. White liter mapi.
لا بس ممكن نقص شوية بس.
No, شوية بس أكيد. عشان mapi tirip saya wala sir.
ها؟
Mapi tirip wala sir, mapi.
ما في تهريب
ما
ولا
في
شيء.
تهريب، أيوة.
زين ممكن واحد عنده كاب يمكن نص عنده كاب.
ايوه ممكن نص قلبها تحت يكفي.
ايوه.
يعني شويه بس.
ايش اجيب الحين؟
ها؟
ايش يحتاج الحين؟
بس خلي.
ها؟
انت غير؟
لا ابغى ازود، ممكن ازود.
ايوه يجي زود. انت زد.
ها؟
انت زد.
اجيب علبه.
ايوه بس هذا ما في وايد قلبه، وايد جالون.
ليه؟
هذا دبليو اس. هذا زد دبليو اس، ما في واحد قلبه وايد قلبه.
ايوه. بعدين قالوا كيف يسوي؟
ما في فايده، انت صير بس سويا. شوف هذا زد اسم زد تويوتا دبليو.
اخذ جالون وبعدين صب شويه بس. ها؟
ايوه شويه بس.
باقي جالون يبقى كذا.
ايوه شيل.
لا بس شو، طب ليه ما ناخذ علبه احسن؟
هذا زد كده جوا ما في قلبه.
ايوه.
واحد جالون 4 لتر
كم هو بس؟
130.
لا نبغى علبه، يمكن رخيص علبه.
قلبه ما في هسل.
لا يمكن حسب وكاله ممكن.
لا ما في.
وبعدين ما نبغى نزود واجد، نزود شويه.
ايوه لازم نسوي زود، لازم نسوي وزن.
ايوه. إيه نسوي وزن صح.
Guys, for now, the level is not good.
Okay, so we need to add and we need to check the level again. Okay, so now I will show you where is the level, the drain plug and the filler plug. Okay, guys, so now as you can see, this is the filler plug. Okay, and you can see the type of the fluid right there. Okay, so if you see, so WS, so this is the type of the fluid, Toyota WS. Okay, so now this is the filler plug. This is the filler plug. This is the drain plug, 14 mm, and this is the check plug, 5 Allen wrench socket, 5 Allen wrench. Okay, so you can read also. We have they have right there. We have a lid here. So check, see, check. So it's meaning if you check the level in this, but you check the level, make sure the engine is in the running or the engine is start. Okay, and the temperature is 36 to 46 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now we will with the customer. He buy a transmission fluid. Okay, so the type of this transmission, guys, is if you can see this side, EC60F. EC60 and F. Okay, so if you search this in the Google, you can search the diagram. He give you the diagram for all transmission, for all parts of this transmission. Okay, guys. See, this is the Toyota Hilux 2022 model. Okay.
يعني كم ياخذ يعني؟
ممكن واحد قلبه.
واحد علبه. ها؟ خليه قليل.
خلاص.
علشان هذا وجه مليان تسوي
هذا
لو فيه مليان زيادة تسوي من هنا مع وجه من هنا. أقول لو فيه مليان واجد
ايوه
سوي زيت من برا.
هنا صوفة هنا
شوف يعني شوف بالضبط يعني من فوق بالعيار يعني.
ايش؟
لا أقول شوف لو فيه يبغى ينقص ما في مشكلة.
لا هذا وزن هذا ما موجود سنسي ماكينة موجود biar ada وزن ada برا Misalnya yang tagayir, Sid, boys, asan. Ang tagayir, asan. O kartel, badal ada filter, asan. Asan alin?
الزيت يعني لون كويس ولا هو؟
Alin, yani ma pisensin mo kala lon. Ayo, so pada lon. Oh, anta so pada lon.
اسمعني بس ما يسوي مشكلة هذا زيت الحين. يمكن برمجة ولا شيء زيت هذا ولا؟
ايش برمجة؟
أنت يسوي برمجة.
ايوه انا اسوي برمجة.
يعني ما يسوي لنا لمبة ولع ولا شيء ولا
بس الحين موجود هذا لمبة
ولا غير يسوي طق ولا؟
لا بس انا موجود لمبة.
في نفرات وكالة كلام. في بعضهم يقول في نفرات يقول ممكن غير زيت. في غير يسوي طق ممكن واحد شهر ممكن كذا. قلنا ما نبغى كلام كذا.
Nasugol gear.
So now guys, I already make a test drive the Hilux 2022 model. Okay, so we go in the road straight and no cars now, no more cars. We check the transmission. Okay, so I did not test this drive before, so I don't know if it's good or not. So now we will see. So his transmission fluid is down, not in a good level. So that's why I tell him to buy a fluid, and then I put maybe more maybe 1 liter. Maybe 1 liter for the fluid I add. So now I make this drive. I did not reset this transmission because we only add. If we change, if we remove the sump or the oil pan, transmission pan, and we replace the filter, so and we put a new oil, so that time we need to reset. But now we only add, so no problem, no need. Okay. So now guys, I'm here in the street road, so we will see. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Okay guys, now we're in the first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth, five, okay. So now we're already in the 60 speed. Okay guys, so no problem for the transmission, it's good. Okay, so this is the road. So now guys, the date is I think February 18, 2025. Okay, I'm still there in Najran, Saudi Arabia. So for now, this is my when I'm coming in the Saudi Arabia, this is my first time when I'm coming September, month of September 2021. Until now, I didn't go to vacation. So I have almost 3 years and a half in this country. I'm here in Najran. So when I'm in the Philippines, my company before, I already make a vlog, or I already make a video for my work. If I do a suspension repair, engine overhaul, transmission overhaul, and minor electrical. So, and when I'm coming in the Saudi Arabia, now in my previous company, my current not previous yani current company, I'm still make a video to share, and I'm happy if I see I'm working. Okay, so if you want to see my video, you can search my YouTube channel, Chong Junri TV or Chong Junri Mechanic is the same. And I have 300 plus videos in my YouTube channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to like my and please follow my Facebook page, same same name, Chong Junri TV. So thank you guys, thank you so much. So now we are going to the workshop. Okay guys, thank you. So now guys, I try to delete this code if the light for the traction and ABS if gone. So we try to delete, but the secret open. So maybe I talked to the customer guys. So he said he removed the socket for the traction or the ABS, because when you drive, yes, because like this is model car have ABS. When you drive and you press the, if maybe and if like if your speed is up and you make a brake, the we have something like not good in the pedal, but he don't like that, and then he removed the socket. So now we try to clear only. Okay. Okay, so now we don't have a fault code or the red color. So we try to start the engine. So okay, the light is still there. So you delete the code, but after that it coming again. Okay, because the light is still there. Okay, so meaning he said he removed the socket. Okay, reverse, neutral, drive. Okay, guys. So thank you.